model, 2020 Renault Trafic CLL30 Sport Energy 2.0 DCI Grey Fridge Van VAT included bargain. Body, grey, fridge. Mileage, 104,383. MOT, the 30th of January 2026. Engine, 1997 CCM 920/120 Energy E6D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Starts and drives brilliantly fresh. 12 months MOT, 1 owner from new, very well maintained vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in.